In this short video, I will help remove the mystery surrounding a very frequent and often asked question that I get. It's a very important one. I believe it's beneficial to be knowledgeable so confusion and misinformation does not interfere with making a great financial decision. So with that, let's get to it. The question is,
hey Tim, what are the interest rates?
Hey Tim, what are the interest rates?
Hey Tim, my man, what are the interest rates?
So to get that interest rate quote done and done accurately, there's 6 main criteria that determine what interest rates will be available to you. So let's start. Number 1, credit score, and more importantly, your FICO credit score. And also, since you know there's 3 credit bureaus, lenders are required to take the middle FICO score, not the high one, not the low one. So FICO score, number 1. Number 2, the property type and what you're using it for. So is it a single family home? Is it a condominium? Is it a multifamily home? And then what are you going to use it for? Is it going to be a primary home for you? Maybe an investment property? Maybe it's a second home. Number 3, the purpose. Is it to purchase the home or is it to refinance? And if it's a refinance, are you taking cash out? Number 4, the type of mortgage and the lock term. Very, very important. So is it an adjustable rate loan or is it a fixed rate loan? And if it is it for 30 years, 20 years, 15 years, 10 years? Right? And then the lock term, very important. So when your rate is secured, you get what's called a lock-in. And that is determined by a time frame. So is it a 60-day lock-in, a 30-day, a 15-day? Number 5, another important one. So are you paying points? Everybody's heard that points. Well, really points are nothing more than advanced interest that you're paying the bank up front in exchange for getting a permanently lower rate. So that's important as well too in your interest rate quote. Then 6, the final one, probably one of the most important ones. It's called LLPA. You're like, what's that? No, not going to turn you into a mortgage banker here. It stands for Loan Level Pricing Adjustments. So all the above that we just discussed, each one has an adjustment that will reflect in the price, therefore in the rate or the points that you will end up paying for the mortgage. So what's the takeaway in all this? The takeaway is if you're looking for an accurate interest rate quote and one that the lender can stand behind, you need to have those questions above answered. Otherwise, you might be setting yourself up for disappointment. So with that, I hope you learned something and you got some benefit from that. I didn't turn you into a mortgage banker, so that's why you have me. So at any time, give me a call, text, or email. I'm available to help you out. Thanks so much.